Hello friends, my name is Ramon, and today we're going to be doing my AM and PM skincare routine featuring Glow Recipe skincare products. Now here's the tea. They give me K-beauty inspired Frutal Eleganza while simultaneously giving me antioxidants, hydration, moisturization, and low-key some really great actives. So we're going to be going through how I utilize those in the AM, focusing on antioxidants and hydration, and in the PM, focusing on cleansing, antioxidants, skin repair, and moisturization. Stay tuned. In the AM, I don't cleanse my face, I just rinse, and my focus in the AM skincare routine is really packing antioxidants and lightweight hydration and moisture on my skin. I have oily acne-prone skin, so I don't like anything too heavy, and really packing in things like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and most importantly afterwards, remember to wear your sunscreen. So first priority, while my skin is still damp, I'm going to go in and start infusing hydration into my skin, utilizing the watermelon mist. Next priority is going to be, again, jam-packing some antioxidants into my AM skincare routine. So vitamin C is that girl, and we're going to be using the Pineapple Bright Serum. And then to lock everything in, I'm going to be going in with the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So now that I've hydrated, used my serum and moisturized for the morning, and put on my sunscreen, I'm going to go in and try out the new Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops just to add some natural radiance and glow to my skin. And then last but not least, touch up some juiciness on the lips. And voila. And here we are, ready for the nighttime routine now. And for me, nighttime really focuses around really thoroughly, deeply cleansing my face, gently, as well as deeply nourishing and moisturizing my skin overnight. Even though I have oily acne-prone skin, I have dehydrated skin, and my skin loves rich moisture at night, as well as using actives that are really targeted towards my oily acne-prone skin, so working on decongesting my pores, as well as my active breakouts, and or taking care of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. First things first, going to be a double cleanse. I'm going to be going in with my Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So now that I've gone in and really dissolved and broken down those surface impurities like makeup, sunscreen, and sebum, we're going to go in now and double cleanse. I'm going to be using the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser. So now that we are properly cleansed, it's time for the actives. And one of my favorite things to use out of the whole Glow Recipe line is actually their Watermelon BHA and PHA Toner. And so after that, as I mentioned, a big thing for me at night, a huge priority is just deeply hydrating and moisturizing my skin. And so first things first is the hydration part of that. And I'm going to go in with the Plump Hydrating Serum. In the same way I like to use hyaluronic acid to really hydrate my face, I like to use it on my lips as you saw. And before those get too dry, I'm going to be going in with their Lip Pop Lip Balm. And so now let's go in and lock in the moisture on our face, and I'm going to be going in with the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream.
Oh my god, that's easy.
And now after all that, you have the option of using one of their sleeping masks. And sleeping masks are really great options to really give you deep, occlusive moisturization. And Glow Recipe gives you two options, their Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, as well as their Avocado Milk Retinol Sleeping Mask. And tonight I'm actually going to go in with the Retinol one because I've already used PHAs and BHAs in my routine, and I like Retinol just for the all-in-one benefits you get from the ingredient. And the last step we're going to be doing is the Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, which is a little bit more gentle, specifically targeted sleeping mask specifically for the eye area. It's going to help not only just take care of fine lines and brightening, but it also has specific coffee berry extract that's going to help to depuff the under eye area as well. And with that, my PM routine is now complete, and that is a full day skincare routine featuring nothing but Glow Recipe skincare products. You can see I'm dewy, radiant, supple, smooth. And what I really like about Glow Recipe products is that fundamentally they utilize actives in a really low concentration, so it's a little bit more inclusive, it's a lot more gentle to the skin, therefore a lot more skin types can use it. Also, most importantly, they're fun to use. Everything has fun textures, fun smells, fun packaging, and I've been using Glow Recipe now for many years, and I will continue to do so for many years to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.